Good morning to all the students. Welcome to the online class. As all of you know, we have been studying Candida, and today we are going to study about the important characters of this play. The first and foremost important character or heroine of this play is Candida. Candida is Morel's wife. She is a charming young woman of 33 years old, and she is very young and mature. She is broad minded person. She is the lady who handles the situation perfectly in this play. The second important character here is Morel. His full name is the Reverend James Mayor Morel. He is a clergyman and Candida's husband. He is a Christian socialist and an active member of the Guild of St. Matthew and the Christian Social Union. He is about 40 years of age. He is a good speaker and good ability for oratory. He is an affectionate husband. He is an ideal preacher and draws audience because they love him and his speech. The third important character here is Eugene Marchbank. Eugene is a very shy young man of 18 years old, means he is too much younger to Candida, yet he is in love with Candida. He is physically weak and delicate. He is a poet. He is one of Morel's discoveries, as he was discovered by Morel. And Morel found him sleeping on the embankment last June and had brought him home. He wanted to uplift him. And he surprises Morel by declaring that he loves Candida. 15 years his senior, and that Candida hates Morel. Another character, Miss Prospine Garnet. Miss Prospine Garnet is the second female character. There are three main important female characters in this play: Candida, Miss Prospine Garnet, and Maria. So the second character is Garnet. She is Morel's secretary and she works as a Morel's typist. She is a smart young woman of 30 years old, a little rough in her manners. She is very sensitive and affectionate. She regards Candida an ordinary woman. She is a little jealous of Candida. The third female character in this play is Maria. Maria is a maid servant in Morel's house. And another important character is Mr. Burgess. Burgess is Candida's father, means Morel's father-in-law. He is a man of 60. He is a contractor. He has amassed wealth by exploiting the poor laborers by paying them very low wages. He woos the rich and the respectable. गरीबों को का शोषण करता है, जबकि दूसरी ओर मोरल सोशलिस्ट है और गरीबों का मित्र है. इसीलिए मोरल और बर्जेस में अच्छी बनती नहीं है. तो ये कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टर्स है जिसके बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए. कैंडिडा मेन कैरेक्टर है, मोरल उसका हस्बैंड है. यूजिन मार्चबैंक हु इज टेकन बाय मोरल टू हिज हाउस, वो 18 साल का है एंड ही लव्स कैंडिडा. मिस्टर बर्जेज इज फादर इन लॉ ऑफ मोरल. There is another character is here is the Reverend Lexi Alexander Mill. Lexi is Morel's assistant. He is curate, सारी चीज़ों का प्रबंध करता है Morel के लिए. He is a very young gentleman gathered by Morel from nearest university settlement. So you should know about all these characters. So I repeat again the important characters: Candida, Eugene Marchbank, lover; Morel, Candida's husband; Burgess, Candida's father; Proserpine Garnet, Morel's typist or his secretary; Alexander Mill, Morel's assistant;